Have you ever designed a web page or a dialog box in computer software, or maybe even a mobile app, and then shown the user interface to somebody that you work with? If you have, the kind of feedback that you probably had was along the lines of, can't you make it more user-friendly? Or can't you improve the wow factor? Or why don't you use the new JavaScript library and then you'll be able to include carousels and everything? Or maybe they said something like, why don't you do it like Amazon? Or can't you make it look more like an Apple product? Or make it behave like Google? Well, the problem with that kind of feedback, well, there's two problems. The first problem with it is it's not very specific. You don't know what it is you need to fix. But the second problem with it is it's just someone's personal opinion. It may be that your users have got less or more domain knowledge than the person that reviewed it. It may be that your end users have got more or less computer experience than them. We need to move beyond personal opinion. On this course, we'll do that by covering some fundamental behavioural principles in psychology, usability, and user experience. I'll get you to think like a usability expert. Look, there are dozens of design courses that you can take which covered various areas of design. This particular one is different. On this particular course, I'll be teaching you practical principles that you'll be able to apply immediately in your job to improve your user interfaces. You'll learn a series of battle-tested principles and techniques that I've seen work on hundreds of design projects. I'll show you how to apply these principles in practice, and you'll also have the opportunity to practice the techniques too. You'll be able to compare your findings when you review a user interface with my findings, and then we'll be able to compare those and see where the differences are. That'll give you the opportunity to start applying these techniques immediately in your job. So come along and join us. It's going to be great fun. Let's get started.